Equipment startup. In the tilting control area, set the desired tilting angle using the buttons. The system drives the furnace body to smoothly rise to the designated working angle. After the test is completed, safely return the furnace body to a horizontal position. Unlock the quick-release latch on the front of the furnace body and lift up the openable furnace chamber. On the rotating control panel, set and adjust the speed of rotation, the rotary motor using the knobs. From an internal perspective, the quartz furnace tube begins to run smoothly, with the speed continuously adjustable.